Respicare started 1988 and then we had only one employee. Nag-umpisa lang kami sa isang maliit na kwarto, nagbebenta ng nebulizer and small machines.
Currently, we have around 200 personnel. We have lineup of respiratory therapists assigned in the hospitals. Biggest asset would be our 35 to 40 engineers. We have established ourselves from as far as Batanes and then Zamboanga. We have participated in the government tenders, and this has allowed us to participate in many government DOH hospitals.
Ang Respicare, I would simply say meron siyang teamwork, humility, honesty, may puso siya.
Ang natutunan ko sa Respicare is pakikipagtulungan. Kung anong problema ng isa, tinutulungan ng iba. Pagmamahalan, higit sa lahat, ang pagtawag sa Panginoon. Pagka nabigay mo yon, talagang maganda ang magiging outcome.
By being an employee of this company, pati yung pakikipag-social communication ko sa mga kasamahan ko at saka sa clients, nag-enhance sa growth ng personality ko.
We have trained salespeople, trained engineers, and we keep spare parts. So, yung reliability, nandiyan. Kaya namin suportahan.
We really value after-sales service. Even though the warranty is already expired, we give them low-cost spare parts. We conduct preventive maintenance and out-of-service repairs and calibration.
Ang mga engineer ko, pinapadala namin sila sa supplier namin for product training. Kahit na ngayong may pandemic, mga iCloud training, mga webinar, at keeping yung personnel also satisfied. Yan yung secret para mag-thrive yung company.
What's going in the future for Respicare? Enhanced preventive maintenance system namin, online product presentation, product training, and demonstration. Of course, for some far places ng mga clients namin, I want to add remote troubleshooting.
I'm looking forward na mas may improve pa yung services ng company pagdating ng generation ng mga anak ko. Kabisado na nila yung culture ng company. Trained naman sila actually para makapag-provide ng continuous and good service para sa mga clients natin.
Since 1988, our main goal is service at its best. And our main ingredient really is customer satisfaction.
Sa 32 years na parte ako ng kumpanya, I'm so proud na kasama ako sa nakakatulong at nakatulong sa mga may sakit at sa lahat ng nangangailangan.
33 years ng Respicare, we have been providing quality products at their best.